My name's Allen Hart, and today we're looking at what's new with the Baxi 800. The Baxi 800 Combi Boiler replaces the Baxi Platinum Boiler. So in this video we're going to look at both boilers and look at what the improvements are with the Baxi 800 over the Baxi Platinum Boiler. This Platinum is about 10 years old. If we look at both boilers, we can see that the Baxi 800 is much smaller. It's compact. It will fit in a cupboard, whereas the Platinum were too big to fit in a standard cupboard. If we look on the top, we can see the Baxi 800 now has a centre flue. The Baxi Platinum, the flue was offset over to the right. So that's a big improvement as well. What we'll do, we'll have a look inside and we'll see what's changed on the inside. To remove the cover on the Baxi 800, we've got 2 screws underneath, and the cover will just lift off. To remove the Baxi Platinum cover, first of all we've got 2 screws here. We'll just undo them a little bit. Just before I remove the case, this is a 10-year-old boiler and it will have age-related marks inside. So the difference already, we can see we've got another cover to take off on the Platinum. For me, the Baxi Platinum is a proven boiler. It's proven to have been reliable. I've installed a lot of these boilers and I have very, very few issues with them. So first of all, if we have a look inside the Baxi Platinum, we can see it's a stainless steel heat exchanger. And if we look in the Baxi 800, we can also see it's got a stainless steel heat exchanger. If we look in the Baxi Platinum, we can see the expansion vessel is there, and it's awkward to get into on the Schrader valve. If we have a look at the Baxi 800, the expansion vessel is here. The Schrader valve on this one is on the top, so it's very easy to work on. What I'll do now is I'll lift this front flap down and this one here, and we'll have a look inside. If we have a look inside the Baxi 800, we just pull the flap down, so it's really easy. If we have a look in the Baxi Platinum, we've just got 2 screws, and again the front flap lifts down. If we look inside both boilers, they look very similar inside. Grundfos pump. So in the Platinum it's got a 1560 pump, and in the Baxi 800 it's got a 1560 Grundfos pump as well. In the Baxi 800 it's a high efficiency pump. Gas valve in a similar place, and all the diverter there as well. So when we look inside, they look very similar. If we look inside the Baxi 800, we can see it's got the drip tray for the flue, similar to the one in the Baxi Platinum, which what that means is it keeps the inside of the boiler clean. If we have a look in there, it's all brass components. It's got copper pipes, stainless steel heat exchanger. So we would expect that this is going to be as reliable as the Baxi Platinum has been. Even though the Baxi 800 is a smaller boiler and it's compact, you can also take all your pipes up the back on the Baxi 800. Also, it comes with a 10-year parts and labour warranty as long as you have the boiler serviced. One benefit to the Baxi 800. It now comes with a quick fill device for topping up, so it's easier for the customer to fill the boiler up. The first Platinums, when it had the 2 valves, were a bit awkward, and we used to get quite a few issues with customers with them. But this new fill make it a lot easier. Also, the Baxi 800 comes with a filter, so it comes with a MagnaClean Pro 2. So yeah, so what do I think to it? Well, as most will know, it is just a Baxi 600, and it's just got a different number up front. It comes with a 10-year warranty instead of a 7, and it comes with the filter. So all in all, if you want a compact boiler with a 10-year warranty, you're not going to go far wrong with the Baxi 800 Combi Boiler. Thanks for watching. Just a correction, the filter is a MagnaClean and it's a Micro 2 filter.